Good morning, third grade. Today is lesson point 9.7 and it is on equivalent fractions and how you can use a model to name equivalent fractions. In our Unlock the Problem, Cole brought a submarine sandwich to the picnic. He shared the sandwich equally with 3 friends. The sandwich was cut into eighths. What are 2 ways to describe the part of the fraction each friend ate? Well, the first thing we have to answer is how many people shared the sandwich? Cole plus 3 others equals 4 people. Cole grouped the smaller pieces into twos. Draw circles to show equal groups of 2 pieces to show what each friend ate. So each friend ate a fourth. So there are 4 equal groups and each group is a fourth. The whole sandwich. So each friend ate 1/4 of the sandwich. So 1/4 equals 1, 2, 2/8. 1/4 and 2/8 are equivalent fractions since they are both the same amount of the sandwich. So 1/4 and 2/8 of the sandwich are 2 ways to describe the part of the sandwich each friend ate. Try this. Circle equal groups, write an equivalent fraction for the shaded part of the whole. Well, there are 2 ways to do this, and the first one, they have shaded 4 of the 8, which means there are 2 equal groups. So 1/2 equals 4/8. Heidi ate 3/6 of her fruit bar. Molly ate 4/8 of her fruit bar. Which is the same size? So their fruit bars are the same size. Which girl ate more of her fruit bar? Shade 3/6 of Heidi's fruit bar and 4/8 of Molly's fruit bar. So I shaded 3/6 and 4/8 and found out they are equal. Is 3/6 greater than, less than, or equal to 4/8? Well, it's equal to. So both girls ate the same amount. Try this. Each shape is one whole. Write an equivalent fraction for the shaded part of the models. There are 1, 2, 3 in each model, so that's our denominator, but there are 6 that are shaded, 6/3. Here, our whole is broken up into 6, and there are 12 shaded. So 6/3 equals 12/6, or 2 wholes. On our share and show, it says each shape is one whole. Use the model to find the equivalent fraction. The first one whole is broken up into fourths, and 2/4 are shaded. The second one whole is broken up into twos or halves, and 1/2 is shaded. So 2/4 equals 1/2. Each shape is one whole. Shade the model to find the equivalent fraction. 2/4 are shaded in the first one, and the second one is broken up into eighths, so 4/8 are shaded in the second one. So 2/4 equals 4/8. Excuse me. In our next one, 2 wholes are broken up into eighths and, 6 and 12/6 are shaded. In our next one, 2 wholes are broken up into thirds and 6/3 are shaded. So 2 wholes are shaded here, which is 12/6, and 2 wholes are shaded here, which is 6/3. Andy swam 8/8 of a mile in a race. Use the number to find a fraction that is equivalent to 8/8. If I color in the point at 8/8 and look below, 4/4. Now you'll notice 8 goes into 8 one time, 4 goes into 4 one time, each equals 1 whole. Circle equal groups to find the equivalent fraction. Now in the first picture, they have circled 3 out of the 6. If I circle 3 out of the 6, I have 2 equal groups, 1 out of 2. And in the second fraction, they have colored 6 out of 6. And if I circle one group of 3 and another group of 3, or 3 groups of 3, I have 3/3, which is also equal to 1 whole. Now, I'll let you finish on your own, and then I would like you to do the practice book 9-7, and tomorrow will be your chapter test, and we will go over the answers to your chapter test on Wednesday. Thank you.